you should see a section labeled Reservations and Permits. Click it. You will now see a page that has 3 sections: Pavilions, Other Park Facilities, and Recreation Permits. Select the pavilion desired. You will now see a calendar of all available dates for the selected facility. Find the date of your event to determine the availability and select Available. Find Book Now on the screen and select the available time frame. Click it, and at the bottom of your screen you will see a pop-up. Click Add to Cart. Log in if you have not already using your WebTrack login. Otherwise, sign up for an account. You will be prompted to answer questions like the rental purpose and agreement to our cancellation and change of date policy. You can add an alcohol permit for an additional price. Then, sign the digital waiver using your name and signature. Hit Continue. Here is your shopping cart. You can remove a purchase, apply a promo code, or head straight to checkout. Add in the required information and the information for billing and payment. Select I am not a robot at the very bottom of your page and hit Continue. You have just booked a pavilion.